Well guys, you probably can't hear me. I'm out on the end of the breakwater at Hope Cove. I'm just trying out this one 360-degree panorama, but I can see it shaking in the wind, so that's not going to be very good, even though I've got it clamped as well as I can. And then in the water down there, I've got my camera on an underwater tripod in the water, obviously. So, well, we'll see what happens. I think this is too windy and it's shaking, so that's not going to be good. And I think that is probably in the murky weed, so that probably won't work either. Tide's on its way out, which is the easiest time to get out here on the breakwater. But when the tide's right in, if we go on the other breakwater over there, I can just drop the camera in either side. But yesterday it was much too windy and the waves were breaking over there, so it wasn't safe to go out there. And you can probably hear it's pretty windy here. Still, we'll see how it turns out. I think that's going to be a fail. I think that is shaking too much. Over on the end of the rocks there, well, I say on the end, on the cliff face, there's a white spot. That's where there's some cormorants nesting, or a cormorant nesting with at least 3 babies. Got some film of that somewhere. But I don't think you can hear me anyway, so I'll stop filming now. Abandon this. I don't know if we can see how much that is shaking around. That's pretty hopeless really, isn't it? That's going to look awful on the playback. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description down below for more information. And if you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you like that one, you might like to subscribe over here.